Okay, so in the last video, I told you about this block and kind of showed you what it was we were doing. Now, if you want to figure out how to actually go about taking the pistons out of this stuck, rusted heap, I'm going to tell you. Okay, so you're trying to get pistons out of this disgusting heap of a rust bucket, which is your engine. Your best friend is going to be vinegar. This stuff kills rust. It eats rust. It makes good things happen. Let me show you what I got going on with this. So basically what I'm doing here is I'm filling the worst cylinders with vinegar. Just filling it up. It was to the top. And it has subsequently overnight lowered into my catch pan down here. As you can see, I already got one of the bad ones out of this side right there. Yeah, see, look at that. And now we're going to attempt to get that one out. Okay, now it's a delicate balance here as we carefully pour that into there without making a mess. Look at that. Boy, it's almost like I've already done this before. Now that we've got this exposed, we got to break these caps loose like that. Then we can go about trying to knock this thing out of here. Ooh, refreshing. Okay, now that you got those off, clearly this is not going to come off there because it is sealed shut. So what you're going to have to do is take your ball peen and start pushing that piston out. Now if you care about your stuff and maybe want to reuse it, maybe kind of double think this at this point. But for me, not a problem. Once you've kind of broken that loose a bit, it should come off. Yeah, this thing is toasted. Now we got to go about actually punching this piston out of here. So you just take whatever means necessary you can and just get her on out of there. Now on some of these you're not going to be able to get them all the way out until you can actually rotate the crank, but it's, you know, it's effectively out. That's pretty much it. I mean, you just repeat that process on everyone that's giving you trouble and you'll get it unstuck, no problem. Well, I still got a lot of work to go on this thing, but once it's torn apart, then we'll actually be able to analyze and see if this thing's really savable or not for our intents and purposes. This is going to be a high horsepower 410 stroker. So the cylinder wall stability is a little, you know, that's kind of concerning to me. But, you know, that was it for this episode, and catch you next time. Did you know how to do this too?
Yeah.
Really?
Uh-huh. So I'm drawing the piston right here.
Oh, okay.
But there's like a little thing that's kind of blocking it.
Oh, sure.
And my dad's trying to get that out, but what
yeah.
told you, you'll eventually get it out.
Oh yeah, you'll get it out eventually, for sure.
But you see these two lines?
Oh, I see those. What are those?
It's a hammer, what I'm making.
Oh, okay.
So, right here is my best hammer that I could draw.
Right.
Yep. But here, you see right there.
Oh yeah, I see that.
You have to keep banging it for a little while. Just for like 1 minute.
Oh, okay.
Uh-huh. See that one? That
I
is
see it.
1
It's
minute.
backwards, but it's there.
Yeah. Stop.
Well, we have to stop.
Yeah.
Oh, how come?
Because you have to put more oil in.
Oh, to lubricate it. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Oh, that's smart. Yeah, so disregard everything I just said. Yeah, she's the expert here.